Why our acrylic mirrors are so outstanding? That's because we guarantee quality. We strictly control the supply of raw materials, production, warehousing, and other aspects to ensure that product quality meets EU standards. In addition, we have adopted automated production lines to ensure consistent quality and timely delivery, as well as to greatly reduce labor costs. Each batch of product is thoroughly inspected. Each strict test is only to deliver high-quality products to customers. Each batch of product is packaged in layers, just to deliver it to customers in good condition. Quality, we mean it. As we cozy up to the holiday of the Mid-Autumn Festival and National Day, don't be shy to give us a shout if you need a hand or have some whimsical idea.